Ferrari Motorhome represents the perfect fusion of luxury, performance, and innovation, designed for those who refuse to compromise between adventure and elegance. Built with Ferrari's legendary craftsmanship, this motorhome takes the prestige of the iconic Italian brand onto the open road, delivering an unparalleled travel experience. From the moment you set eyes on it, the sleek aerodynamic lines and bold curves signal that this is no ordinary vehicle. The distinctive Ferrari red paint, enhanced with subtle metallic undertones, reflects light beautifully, while the signature prancing horse emblem proudly announces its heritage. Every detail on the exterior is sculpted for performance, with precision-engineered bodywork that reduces drag and maximizes efficiency, ensuring the vehicle moves with grace despite its size. Inside, the motorhome redefines the concept of mobile living. The cabin is crafted with the same dedication to perfection that goes into every Ferrari supercar. Premium Italian leather upholstery, hand-stitched to perfection, wraps around contoured seats designed for long-distance comfort. The dashboard features a combination of state-of-the-art digital displays and traditional analog touches, blending modern technology with Ferrari's timeless style. The spacious interior is filled with natural light, thanks to panoramic windows that provide breathtaking views of the surroundings, while advanced climate control keeps the environment perfect no matter the weather outside. The living area feels like a luxury suite on wheels. A comfortable lounge with plush seating offers the perfect place to relax after a day of driving or exploring. Hidden storage compartments maximize space while maintaining a clean, sophisticated aesthetic. The dining area features a sleek table and seating finished in polished wood and brushed metal accents, ideal for enjoying a meal or planning the next leg of your journey. The kitchen is a masterpiece of design and functionality, featuring high-end appliances, a full-size refrigerator, induction cooktop, and a convection oven. Countertops are made from lightweight yet durable materials that resemble fine stone, ensuring both elegance and practicality. Every drawer and cabinet is soft-closing, lined, and designed to keep items secure while on the move. The sleeping quarters offer a retreat of absolute comfort. A king-size bed with a premium memory foam mattress ensures restful nights, while built-in reading lights and USB charging ports provide convenience. Soundproofing throughout the cabin guarantees peace and quiet, even when parked near busy locations. Additional sleeping spaces can be converted from lounge seating, making the motorhome perfect for couples, families, or small groups of travelers. The bathroom matches the quality of a high-end hotel, with a rainfall shower, designer fixtures, and ample storage for personal items. Walls are clad in stylish, easy-to-clean materials, and the lighting is warm and inviting, creating a spa-like atmosphere on the road. When it comes to performance, the Ferrari Motorhome doesn't just rely on looks. Powered by a high-output engine engineered for both torque and efficiency, it delivers smooth, responsive driving even on challenging terrain. Advanced suspension and braking systems ensure stability and control, while adaptive cruise control and driver assistance technologies make long journeys effortless. The motorhome is also equipped with cutting-edge navigation, a premium sound system, and integrated smart controls that can manage lighting, temperature, and entertainment with a touch or voice command. Owning a Ferrari motorhome is more than just having a luxury vehicle, it's about embracing a lifestyle. It allows you to explore the world, without leaving behind the comfort, style, and prestige associated with one of the most respected names in automotive history. Whether parked at an exclusive resort, set up in the middle of nature, or cruising down scenic highways, the Ferrari Motorhome makes every moment unforgettable. It is not just transportation. It is a statement of taste, ambition, and a passion for the extraordinary, redefining what it means to travel in ultimate luxury.